7 minutes every morning. That is the only commitment standing between you and a visible six packs. And in this video, I'm going to teach you a top 10 six packs abs workout that you can do every morning for you to get a visible six packs in the next 30 days. So stay with me to the end of this video, because by the end of the video, I'm going to teach you the right way to do it and you can't afford to lose that. So let's get right into it. First step, you lie on your back just like this. Then secondly, your two legs should be bent in a V shape just like this. Then your two ends behind your head. Then you raise your back a bit with your quads, not your neck. So there you go. Don't go too hard, because if you go too hard, it will not be that effective. You can go slow and steady, just like this. Can see. So after that, second one is a leg raise. So in this case, you are going to lie flat again. Support your two ends with your hips, and you make sure when you are raising your both legs, you make sure your lower back, which is here, is pressed to the floor as you raise your leg to 90 degrees. So let's see how it goes. I've supported my two hands with my hips, and I'll make sure that when I raise the both leg, it is going to what? It is going to press my lower back to the floor, just like this. Make sure your two legs are not touching the floor. So the third one is going to be a bicycle crunches, and this is how to use it the right way. Firstly, you lie on your back, your two hands behind your head. Then immediately you bring one of your leg towards one of your elbow. Then you stretch this one straight. You get it? So let's practicalize it now. Your two hands behind your head. You raise one hand and do like this. Can you see? This is the right way to do it. You repeat that for 30 seconds. Don't go too hard. Go slowly so you can feel it in your oblique. Do it that way. As easy as that. So we are done with our express, and let's go on to the next one. So the fourth one now is the plank raise, and this is how to do it the right way. Your two elbows on the floor. Make sure you stretch your two legs and you are on your toe, just like this. Make sure you are not like this. Make sure you are like this, very straight. Push your back a bit and make sure you squeeze your abs so you can breathe in slowly and steady while you stand, just like this. You can stand like that for at least 30 seconds. Then you rest for the next 10 seconds. So let's go. Make sure you don't sag. If not, it will not be that effective on your body. And so the fifth one is going to be mountain climbing, and how to do it the right way. The first thing, your two hands on the floor. You stretch your two legs behind you like this, and it should be on your toe. Then once you are raising your leg, make sure it's not touching your chest. That is good. Make sure it's not touching your chest. And the faster you go, the more you burn the cardios, and then the more effective your abs is going to show. So let's go. Watch me how fast you can go. You repeat that for 30 seconds. So in that way, you burn more, and then you see that your abs become more visible than before. The sixth one is going to be reverse crunch. So let's go. This is how to do it the right way, because you have to raise your back up a bit. So the first thing, you are going to lie flat on your back, just like this. Your two ends should not be behind it. It should be on the floor like this. Then your two hands, like when you do like this, you raise your back. That's what they call reverse crunches. So do that repeatedly. You can do that for 30 seconds. Because I'm on the floor, that's why you are hearing the sound. So that is it for reverse crunches. So the seventh one is going to be the front kick, and this is the right way to do it. Firstly, you are going to lie on your back a bit. Then you support your butt with your two ends. You raise your shoulder with your quads, not your neck, just like this. You stretch one, stretch the second one, and then the faster you go, the more effective it is. Just like this. You can see, you raise your core so you can be more effective with your shoulder. You repeat that for 30 seconds every morning, then you thank me later. And then the next one is going to be the toe touches, and that one is more complicated. So let me put it and let me teach you the right way to do it. Firstly, you are still going to lie flat on your back, just like this. You are going to raise your back with your quads. You can use your two shoulders to raise it up a bit so you can position your back properly. Then you raise your two legs up like this, your two hands up, and then you go. You can't go faster with this if not you get tired easily. So you go. You can see how I'm doing it. You can repeat this every morning, and then you can see your six packs becoming more visible in the next 30 days. So just do it like that, repeatedly for 30 seconds. And so the ninth one is going to be the Russian twist, and I know most of you must have been familiar with that. Whereby the right way to do it, you raise your two legs, but for you not to lose balance, you can cross your two legs, then you begin with touching this side. Make sure you turn very well so you can feel it within your obliques. You get? Go like this. You can do that repeatedly for 30 seconds also, and then you rest for 30 seconds after you are done. Then you pick up the next exercise. You can see me. For me not to lose balance, that's why I tie my two legs. Then I turn. Do that repeatedly for 30 seconds. And then you are good to go. And then the last one is going to be the dead ball, and the right way to do it. Firstly, you are going to lie flat on your back. Again, you raise your two legs just like this. You raise your two hands. Then one we go flat, one we go like this, just like an opposite. This two is going to be raised like this. So that is how to do it. So let's start. Firstly, your two legs raised, your two hands up. I think you go first. This is the top 10 workout that is more effective for you to do every morning for you to get your visible six packs in the next 30 days. Stay consistent and do it properly. And if you find this video guide useful, please do well to support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, share with your loved ones, and mostly share with people you think this can be more useful to them. Now catch up the next one. I breathe heavy, I'm exhausted, so I need to take some coffee.